Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this UPS from Apc by Schneider Electric. Okay, so this UPS is not working. Let's connect the power and see if it does have any life signs. The power is on. If we press this button, it doesn't work at all. We have an LED down here and another one this side. So we should see these lights, but nothing at all. Okay, so let's take it apart and see why it is not working. Do we have a fuse here? Yes, we do have a fuse here. Let's check this fuse. As you can see here, we have multiple connections, output connections, and here is the mains connection where we connect the mains cable to this UPS, and here we have a battery connector. So this is used to isolate the battery. Here we have some other boards like input, output, data board. I don't know what they are used for. Yeah, so let's check this fuse. Okay, so here is the fuse. Let's check it. The fuse is good. Yeah, the fuse is good. Let me put it back. Okay, so let's take it apart. Okay, so it's opened. As you can see here, we have a battery, a big transformer, and here is the main board, this one, and also this is a switchboard and LED board, this one. This might be the communication board. So this one has the ports, the USB board, the data board, and the in and out ports over here. So let's have a look and see why it is not working. Let me take this board out. But before we take this board out, let's actually first test the battery. The battery has 4.1 volts, which is actually low. It should be 12 volts. It's written in here. It should be 12 volts. As you can see, so it does not have the correct voltage there. It might be the cause why it doesn't turn on. Okay, let's try and recharge this battery a little bit. So the battery is disconnected using this. It's not connected to the board. Let me use my power supply and charge this battery a little bit. So here we have 12.8 volts. Okay, so it's taking actually nothing at all. It's almost zero. Yeah, it's taking nothing, 0 amps. So this battery is dead. And it could be the cause that why this whole UBS is not working. Completely dead. What current do we have? 9 amps. 9 amps at my power supply, and as you can see, it's taking nothing at all, 0. Okay, so if we check here the voltage, we should see 12 volts because of the power supply, 12.8. It should be dropped if this battery is not charged. Now it's reading 6 volts and going quickly down. Okay, let's keep it in there. Let's wait for it. .3 and going extremely low, extremely fast. So the battery is faulty. How can we test it? I don't have this battery. Let's try and let me bring the power cord. I will connect. Let me do this. Okay, so let me take off these really quick and connect. The battery needs to be in there actually. Okay, let's turn on. Nothing at all. So it doesn't work at all. So let's try one thing actually. So this UBS should provide 240 volts. If the mains disconnected, this battery should provide the voltage to the inverter, and the inverter should provide 240 volts at the output here. So let's try and give it 12 volts here from the power supply and try and turn it on now because the battery is connected. I can hear a click, and yeah, it is working actually. It is working. Let me try and okay, I want to check the voltage here. We have 235 volts. Yeah, the inverter is actually working. The board is working, as you can see. Everything is fine and working properly. This might be a notification that tells you that it is working on battery. Okay, so the inverter is actually working, and it's just the battery needs to be replaced. So no need to take the board out. We need to replace the battery. Okay, let me take the battery out. Okay, so here is the battery. It's lead acid battery, 12 volts, 9 amp hours. So yeah, we need this battery. Okay, so I will replace this battery and this UPS should back to work. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.